watermelon. Wow, a tiny turtle. So adorable. Hello.
Oh no!
Oh no! The monkey's car just tipped over.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Hey there. Hang in there, little monkey.
Okay.
Time to do some laundry and take a bath, little monkey. Look at that satisfied little monkey face.
Oh no!
The little monkey is out of food. The little monkey ordered pizza. Looks delicious. The little monkey is eating pizza. It looks so delicious.
Yummy.
The monkey came to play with this puppy. Let's go swimming together, monkey. Wow! So many colorful Easter eggs. Inside are baby fish. They look so adorable. Let's swim together, duckling. Look at the babies playing together. It's so funny.
Yummy.
Wow! Look at the two puppies and the monkey eating ice cream. It's so adorable. The little monkey is eating gummy candy.
Yummy.
Wow! A big box of gifts here. What's inside? I wonder. It's these alphabet cushions. Wow, they look so beautiful. The monkey came to play with the puppy.
yummy.
Look at the two of them eating fruits.
Yummy.
Don't they look so adorable? The little monkey is dreaming of going swimming with the yellow goldfish. The monkey came to play with his puppy. Look at the monkey swimming. It looks so adorable. Whoa! There are yellow ducklings too. Don't they look so cute? There are also ducklings here. Look at them playing and having fun together. Let's eat some yellow melon together, puppy.
Yummy.
The little monkey is dreaming of going with the ducklings. The monkey is awake now. Wow! These new fancy cars look so beautiful. The monkey is picking a car. Looks really cool. Oh, the monkey came to play with the ducklings. Hello! The monkey is taking the duckling to the farm now. Goodbye, duckling. Aw, the little monkey is sleeping. So adorable. The monkey is awake now.
Dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran out.
Let's give the monkey a bath together.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory
of them are eating fruit ice cream. It looks so delicious.
Yummy.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee
Both of them seem to really enjoy the ice cream, huh?
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick.
Oh my! The puppy and the monkey are competing to eat ice cream. It's so funny.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Oh, the little monkey is searching for food. The yellow melon
yummy.
looks so delicious. Oh, hello! Came to play with the puppy. How adorable! Wow, these goldfish, they look so cute. And even baby ducks. Look at the monkey having fun. So cute. The monkey and the puppy are eating yellow melon together. It's time to bathe the monkey now. Getting ready for bedtime, little monkey. Let's tuck in the monkey together. Shh. Oh no! The little monkey is out of food.
Oh no.
Yay! Let's go find some food, little monkey. Let's load the food onto the car together. Off we go, little monkey. Watching these two eat is so mouth-watering.
Thank you.
Ah, the little monkey is eating gummy candies.
Yummy.
Whoa, a gift box right here. Oh, the monkey came to play with the puppy. Let's go camping, puppy. Look at that beautiful camping tent.
Yummy.
Watching these
yummy.
two eat grapes looks so delicious. Look, the two of them are sleeping. So adorable. Oh. Ah, it's time to wake up now, little monkey. Let's cook breakfast for the little monkey. Fry some eggs for the little monkey to enjoy.
Thank you.
Watching the little
yummy.
monkey eat looks so delicious. Ah, the little monkey is harvesting fruits now. Hello, Poppy. Look, they're both enjoying some fruits
yummy.
together. So delicious. Ah, the little monkey is searching for food. Look at the little monkey eating that plate of mangoes. So delicious. Oh no! The food is running out, little monkey.
Oh no.
Hello, puppy. Wow, the little monkey is swimming. Watching these little ones play together is just adorable. Look at the two of them eating fruits. It looks so yummy.
Yummy.
Aw, look at the puppy and the little monkey sleeping. So cute. It's time to wake up, little monkey. Let's make breakfast for the two of you now.
Yummy.
Watching these two eat looks so mouth-watering. Oh, they've eaten it all up. Oh, where's the little monkey going? Oh, the little monkey is bringing watermelon to the farm. Hello! Look at the little monkey playing around. It's so cute.
Yummy.
Watching all of them eat watermelon
yummy.
looks so good. Oh no, it's raining. Ah, the little monkey is going to the supermarket. Oh, an earthquake! Let's go home, little monkey. Oh, it's just a nightmare. Oh, so scary.
Oh no.
It was all just a dream. Phew.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Where's the little monkey going?
Hickory-dickory-dock.
Oh, the little monkey is coming to play with the puppy.
Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Look at both of them enjoying ice cream. It's so delicious.
Yummy.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
They finished the whole ice cream cone.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock.
Eating ice cream together duck's here to play too. The little monkey brought the duck to the farm now. The little monkey and the duck are cuddling. So adorable. Bye-bye. Aw, the little monkey is sleeping. So adorable.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 5.
Ah, the little monkey is going to the bathroom this morning. Let's
Okay.
clean up the toys, little monkey.
Okay.
The little monkey is eating chocolate cake.
Yummy.
It looks so delicious.
Oh no.
Time to tidy up the mess, little monkey. Ah, the duck is here to play.
Let's go.
Look at the two of them cuddling. So cute.